Hey guys, it's Pineapple Turtle here, and today I have another ceiling fan for you. I have another ceiling fan, but this is not this noisy fan that I just showed you just recently. This is a wobbly ceiling, this is another ceiling fan that when you turn on high, it wobbles. So I'm gonna turn it off for you guys. Oh yeah, and for some news, the Pineapple Turtle 6 did come out, and yeah. And I started using iMovie in some of my videos. So here's high on this fan. This one's not as bad. Yeah, and this fan is a pretty cool fan. It's kind of wobbly, not as annoying as the noisy fan I just recorded, aka the most loudest ceiling fan in Pineapple Turtle history. So let's turn it on high again and see it wobble again. Oh, and I don't know what brand name it is or anything. I have no clue what this is. Alright, thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe.